Hi, Edwin here, and in this video I want to show you a little bit more about azonlocal and the idea behind it. Last week I was at my Amazon.com associate part, and I saw at this part that the affiliate programs had been extended to Amazon local associates. So I went there and I saw that the part that Amazon local, which is at this site, local.amazon.com, became part of the Amazon affiliate program. So Amazon opened up their local deals, which is sort of like Groupon, and as an affiliate you now can get paid for that, and they have extended the time of the cookies. So instead of the 24 hours that is normal for an Amazon associate, it's 30 days now. So that's a large deal, and you get paid up to 6%. And if somebody buys a coupon for, well, the M&Ns is of course not so expensive, but if you go to entertainment and travel for the deals over there, then there are some deals that are quite expensive. So that can amount to a massive payments, most of all because that if the person that is sent by you to that site buys more than one coupon, you get paid for all of them. So that's a huge benefit. And when I saw that they opened, because this site, this part of Amazon was already there, and they're developing it, and more cities become a part of it. But up until last week I didn't saw any way for an affiliate to get paid for sending traffic, and like I said, last week they opened it up. So that is one thing. If you don't buy the plugin, take note of this, take advantage of it, and know that it's available. And as Amazon shows, you can create your own links to the deals, so go ahead and do that. If you don't want the easiness for the plugin and the way it works, then that is something that I surely recommend for anybody that's an Amazon affiliate. Because if I look at myself, and Amazon is not available in the Netherlands yet, but if I see how many Groupons my wife and I buy and enjoy, then that's quite a large number of customers that you can earn commissions from. So it's something that I really recommend as an affiliate to take note of. But of course, I will be very happy if you buy the plugin. That is without a doubt, and that is, maybe I'm biased, but making the plugin was a lot of easier for you to show the local deals on your website, because what it does is there's a geo-targeting. So the plugin knows where the visitor comes from, and the local deals are available in 115 cities. So if it matches one of the city that Amazon has a local deal for, then those deals will be displayed. But there is also, of course, because there are not every city covered in the local deals yet, maybe they will in the future, and I will add as much cities when Amazon adds them. So for instance, if there come cities in Alaska or Arkansas or Connecticut or Delaware, those cities, when Amazon adds them, I will add them also, and there can be a slight delay, but I will add them also. But if there's somebody from a city that is not covered by those local deals, there will always be an option for the plugin to display deals from a default city that you have set in the plugin. And let me show you what I mean. This is the demo site, and as you see, it's totally empty at this moment, only hello world, and sidebar that is empty, just default. So let me go to the dashboard and I'll close that one. I already installed the plugin, and it was just a matter of install plugins, add new, and then activate. So that is nothing special. And when it's activated, there becomes a new menu part, and it says azonlocal, which is of course the plugin that's called azonlocal. So when you go there and you click there, you get this page. Very simple, just one page. And what you need to enter is your tracking ID or your associate ID. Amazon allows you by default 250 tracking IDs. I would recommend to add a new one just for the deals, so you always know that commission that is made by this plugin or by that local Amazon deals, you can track that down. So if you run out of tracking ideas, there's just a short email to Amazon, and then they will extend the number of tracking ideas. So that should not be a problem. So but do enter your own associate or tracking idea, and then the question is, do you want geolocation? And I have to say that it's about 70% accurate. It uses a script from a company, and that's called maxmind.com, and they say it's accurate at about 60 to 70%. And the reason is if somebody uses a proxy for surfing, or hides their or masks their IP, then the accuracy becomes less. And of course there are some ISPs, hosting companies, that have their cities not correctly in the databases. So it is 70% accurate. And over here you can enter a default city. Now for instance, if I say I want Los Angeles to be my default, and I don't, or let me put it auto add on yes, and auto add, that means do you want to display the local deals on each and every post or page that you have, and if so, where do you want it, at the bottom, the top, or at both sides? So let me put it at the bottom. And what type of deals? Well, there are all restaurants and bars, shopping, health and beauty, and entertainment and travel, and that's correspondence with the categories that Amazon has. The all deals, restaurant and bars, entertainment and travel, shopping, and health and beauty. So I have to select one of those, and over here there's the number of coupons of the deals that I want to display. So 1 until 12, and let me select 3, and over here I can change the layout, and that is something that you have to do by yourself and in your own liking. So if I hit submit, it says options updated, and if I now go to the site, it should display at least 3, and there it is already, 3 local deals from, in this case, Los Angeles. And because I'm from the Netherlands, it will always fall back to the default. But if I was from the US and for instance from Miami or New York, it would display the local deals from New York or Miami. And if I click this, it will go to that local deal, and you see $149 for a roofing tune-up. Well, that is one way to show them, and that is with the auto add. So if I put this on no, and I hit submit, and I go and refresh this, then those are gone. And I'm going to show you the second way that you can display the local deals, and that is using the shortcode, and the shortcode is azonlocal. And if I don't put anything else, because there are options, but if I don't put anything else, it will fall back to what I entered at the options at azonlocal page. So if I save this and we're going to view the page, then again it's showing 3 from Los Angeles in the shopping part. Well, what if I want to show not 3 but 6? Then I just change the shortcode and I add the option num from numbers and is 6. And if I update this, I'm gonna view the post, then you see it's 4, and that's because there are not more than 4 of those local deals in that category. So what if I want to change the city to Miami and the category to, well, let me put health. Now if I'm going to view the post, you see I'm seeing 6 local deals from Miami, because if I click this, you see it's location, where's the at, get directions, well, somewhere in Miami at least, and it's in the health category, health and beauty, and all of them, as you see, is tagged with my associate ID from Amazon. So if somebody buys this money or facial treatment, then I get a commission from Amazon because I sent the visitor to that local deal. So there are 2 options that I showed, the auto ad and the shortcode, and there's a third one, and that's a widget, and you can use them combined. So you can use the widgets, the auto ad and the shortcode all combined, and that's totally no problem. So when I go to widgets, and of course your team needs to be widget ready, but there are not many teams left that aren't, so this should be no problem. I drag and drop it into the sidebar, and I can give it a title, the number of deals, and again I can select if it wants the restaurants and bars, the shopping, health and beauty and entertainment. Well, let's for instance take restaurants and bars, and let's go to Los Angeles. And again, this is the default fallback city. If the visitor is from a city that is recognized by the plugin, then that will be overridden. But because I'm, like I said, from the Netherlands, and right now I'm in the Netherlands, so it will not pick up my city as being one of the cities that there's a local deal from Amazon. But if I was from Miami, the plugin would know that and would show the restaurants and bars for Miami and not Los Angeles. So if I go to the main page, because at those pages are no widgets, you see there are some nice restaurant deals from Los Angeles. A spicy burger, $40 to spend on food and drinks at T-Bull's Tavern. Okay, this is the plugin, azonlocal. I hope you enjoy it, and like I said, even if you don't buy the plugin, take advantage of the new way of earning a commission with Amazon on the local deals which they opened since last week. And I do hope that you see the value in the plugin, and if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you very much.